here's the app called Parallel Life Simulator Experience Fame. So yeah, you can just tap get to download this app, and with this app you can just kind of install it, and it will create kind of a visibility that you are a famous influencer. It will of course like create like a fake number, fake likes, and then you will kind of simulate a live stream environment where you kind of have like thousands and thousands of viewers and listeners. So this is like live simulator. Get to 100k viewers if you wanna get even more exposure, but that's what it is. Like, this is your name, and then you can just, for example, just start live simulator, and then show verification, for example. But yeah, some of the features. And then this is basically how it looks like. And then you can also engage with your AI audience. You will see a lot of viewers, like in the top right, you will see like 219 viewers. You can also add your photo, and you can just comment, and yeah, it's quite fun. And it's like, yeah, so that's the idea of the app.